Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these scrappy Christmas ornaments in the shape of a mitten. It's a cute and easy way to use up some fabric scraps to make a new handmade Christmas ornament for your Christmas tree. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips, a backing fabric, batting or felt, ribbon for hanging, pinking shears, and the printable template. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center the batting or felt on top. Place one fabric strip from corner to corner along the long edge with the right side of the fabric facing up. Since this is truly a scrap fabric project, I sewed my fabric scraps together to make longer strips. Place a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the right edges on the long side of the strips and pin it in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. If you're using felt, finger press instead of using your iron. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you get to the edge of the batting or felt piece. Trim away the excess ends of the strips without cutting into the backing. Pin a paper template to the front of the fabric at least 1/2 inch away from the edge. Here's a tip. Align the template so the direction of the strips falls on the mitten the way you'd like. Stitch the mitten by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitched lines. Pin the next template on the front of the fabric and again stitch the mitten by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Remove the template and use pinking shears to cut a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch away from the stitching. Repeat for all the mittens. Fold each piece of ribbon in half to make a loop. With the loop facing upwards, place the raw edges of the ribbon on the back of the top of the mittens. Secure in place by stitching over the previous stitching line. Add additional decorative stitching if desired. And just like that, just that fast, you have a fun way to decorate your Christmas tree. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.